Hello everybody, today I have here a Tensile Spider 23 lock. This lock gave me a lot of trouble until I worked. The bidding's nothing special, but I think it's the pins inside. I believe it's got serrated pins. I'm not sure, not got it yet. So there we go, working perfect. Well, when I first was picking this lock, I couldn't pick it clockwise, so I had to go counterclockwise. And it's a very weird lock. So homebrew pick sent to me by Foxy, wonderful pick. Just say it properly. Sorry guys. Just give me autofocus seems to sometimes go out a bit. So there we go. I'm gonna start from back. So pin 6, got a click, nothing off 5, got a click off 4, 3 click, 2 little bit of a false set. There, got a nice falsy of 2 there. Got a nice counter rotation going on. Lost the false set. There we go, we got it back. We've lost the entire thing. Sorry about that guys, I'm gonna start again. Click on 6. This is the thing with this lock. Sometimes you can get it quick, then sometimes it takes a bit of time. There we go. Picked open. 3 minutes, not bad. I've always wanted to gut this lock, so I'm just gonna put the camera and everything down, head it towards the gutting part there. So there we go. Let's just get everything sorted. Here's the lock guys. Put the vice out of the way. Let's get a bit more focused in. Get our new disassembly kit out, which is the hook one. Brilliant tool, brilliant tool. I was horrible with the C-clips until I discovered this tool. I've got another tool that does this just as good, so I'm just going to get that. I prefer this at the moment because then we can just. I hate C-clips. Oh. I'm gonna lock it back up, I think. There we go, it's locked back up, and let's try now. There we go. Lucky we have the key here, so we can that I'm just gonna put the tripod a slight bit up so you guys can see. There we go. I'm gonna follow it through. There we go. That all went smoothly. I'm gonna put that plug here. I can't see no counter milling so far. There's no counter milling there. So let's get this done then quickly. Pin 1 is a spool pin. Pin 2 is like a barrel pin, serrated pin. Pin 3 is like a spool pin. Pin 4 is a spool pin. Pin 5 is a spool type pin. And pin 6 is like a spool pin. I think some of these is actually put them the wrong way around. So there's the core. Here we go now. Oops, pin 1 is standard. I think these are all standard pins now. I'm just going to, where's the key? It's going to show you guys. Yes, these are, I think these are standard pins. Pin 2 standard. 3 is standard. 4 is standard. 5 is standard. 6 is standard. And nothing's done to the core. And there you go, you'll get a better closer look now. So there you see the spool pins. I think he put them in the wrong way around. That number 2 is a nice serrated pin.